Hi, welcome to homework 3. So I have my parameter thing homework assignment here. I've got y equal to 2, z equal to 3, and x equal to nothing. And then I have a while loop here. And I just went ahead and learned a couple different things on a YouTube video, but I just kind of put them in here just because. So while true. So while this is true, we're going to print, or we're going to have x equal to input, that, which is an arrow, and then we're going to have it dot upper, which means anything in there is going to be transferred to an uppercase letter. So then if x equals y, print y. So if x equals 2, print y. If x equals x, if x equals z, print z. And z is 3, so if you type 3, it's going to print z. If you type 2, it's going to print y. And then if you print quit, it's going to break the loop, so you're going to quit the program. And then otherwise, if you anything else that you type, it's going to say no match. Or I could put I didn't get that. And then I have the x equals nothing here again, so that's going to reset x equal to nothing after it prints y or z, depending on. So to see it run, we go print 2, and it's going to go ahead and print y there. And if we print 3, it's going to print z there. If we print 4, didn't get that. 5, didn't get that. So anything you type other than 2 and 3, I didn't get that. And if you type quit, the process finished. So that is my homework assignment 3. Thank you for watching.